Version control is a system that records changes to a file or set of files over time. It is usually used to track changes in the source code of software applications, although almost any file can be tracked this way. Version control provides the ability to revert selected files or the entire project to any previous version. It is also possible to compare changes over time, see who modified files that might cause a problem, and more. Generally, using version control allows you to recover your files if you did something wrong. When doing changes to files, many people often copy and paste files to some sort of a backup folder. This approach is simple, although incredibly error-prone. That's why local VCS were developed. They had a simple database that kept all the changes to files under revision control. The next vital feature that developers needed was the ability to collaborate with each other on different projects. To address this problem, Centralized Version Control Systems, CVCS, were developed: CVS, Subversion, and Perforce. CVCS contains all versioned files on a single server. Any number of clients can connect to it and check out files from the central server. Compared to local VCS, this approach has many advantages: ability to collaborate, fine-grained permission controls, simple centralized administration. The downside of using CVS is a single point of failure. If the server goes down or a hard drive becomes corrupted, the entire project's history is lost. Distributed version control systems, Git, Mercurial, Bazaar, Darks, solve the issues of CVS by cloning the whole repository to clients' computers. This way, if the server goes down, every person working on the project has a complete backup of project's history on their local computer. When the server comes back online, the whole project, including its history, can be copied back to the server if needed. Aws Code Commit is a fully managed source control service that hosts secure Git-based repositories. It simplifies collaboration in a secure and highly scalable ecosystem. Code Commit eliminates the need to operate your source control system or worry about infrastructure scaling. Code Commit can be used to store anything from source code to binaries, and it also works well with your existing Git tools. Aws Code Commit eliminates the need to host, maintain, backup, and scale your own source control servers. The service automatically scales to meet the growing needs of your project. Aws Code Commit automatically encrypts all of your files in transit and at rest. It is integrated with AWS Identity and Access Management, allowing you to customize user-specific access to your repositories. Aws Code Commit has a highly scalable, redundant, and durable architecture. The service is designed to keep your repositories highly available and accessible. Aws Code Commit helps you collaborate on code with teammates via pull requests, branching, and merging. You can implement workflows that include code reviews and feedback by default, and control who can make changes to specific branches. Aws Code Commit supports all Git commands and works with your existing Git tools. You can keep using your preferred development environment plugins, continuous integration, continuous delivery systems, and GUI clients with Code Commit.